Hello, I'm System Override of OverrideSystems.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use Ollie to really show how weak the protection in UPX exe packaging is. First thing I've got a little application here, and I'm going to open up PEID, and we're going to click and drag, and we can see that it's packed by UPX, blah 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 blah. Well, that just hurts my feelings. So we're going to go ahead and minimize that. We're going to come up here and we're going to actually click, drag, and load our little application into Ollie. Now, in a few short steps, you're going to see how to defeat a UPX packed file. First thing we're going to do is we're going to hit F7 once, or right here, step into, and then ESP, as we see, is going to change. We're going to left click that, right click, follow and dump. You need to highlight the first 4 characters here underneath the ASCII table, right click, breakpoint, hardware on access, word because there's actually 4 characters, and you can read more on that if you need to. Go ahead and execute the program, and then immediately it'll pause, and right around here you'll see somewhere a jump to the original entry point, the OEP. So we're going to hit F8 or step over here and go through a little loop, and this is all a part of it being unpacked, which is technical and you don't really need to understand for the scope of this tutorial. Now, if you don't want to sit here and do that, another thing you can do is you can see that right after it exits the loop, it's going to land here. You can just breakpoint there and hit play. And then we see this jump. And we want to go down, and we want to take that jump. And that's the first jump there. And we see pretty clearly that we're up against a Visual Basic program, and that we're at the original entry point. Now you want to right-click, dump debugged process. We're just going to dump it. Uncheck rebuild the imports. Ollie's import rebuilder just sucks. So we're going to go right here. Here's the entry point, the original one, and we're going to copy this for now. You'll see why in a second. And we're going to dump it. Name it dump. Good a name as any, right? So we've named it dump there, and we're not quite done just yet. Leave Ollie as it is. You're going to need to load up import reconstructor, and you're going to see that project 1 is the one we're interested in. Go down here to OEP. Remember that one we copied? Let's paste it. Hit auto search. Alright, we get a little message. Now we're going to get the imports. We don't have any invalid. You could click show invalid, but we don't have any invalid, so we're good. It's going to fix the dump. What dump? Well, that dump is actually this dump right here that we just dumped from Ollie. Hit open, okay, and it says dump _.exe saved successfully. So let's go back and let's see. We have 3 files now: our original project 1, our dump, and our dump _, which is the one that import reconstructor dumped for us. First thing we want to do is make sure it unpacked. So project 1 shows UPX in PEID. Our dump, which we could rename anything we wanted, shows indeed Microsoft Visual Basic. And just for fun, let's make sure the project still works and opens and nothing went wrong. And what do you know? Isn't that beautiful? I am System Override of OverrideSystems.com.